This is literally my favorite dish to cook, pork adobo. If you love the saltiness, sweetness, and acidity from vinegar and American barbecue sauces, I'm sure you'll love this dish. It takes a while, but every carnivore will love you for cooking this. Start by pounding a half tablespoon of black peppercorns in a mortar and pestle. Chop the onions into thin slices. The hardest part is the garlic. Smash, peel, and mince the garlic. Heat a non-stick pan to medium, add oil, and throw in the onions. Cook until browned and translucent. Throw in the pork belly or pork shoulder, and stir occasionally until slightly browned. Toss in the black pepper and stir. Add the garlic, soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and bay leaf, and mix it well. Bring up to a simmer and cover. Cook it for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the 15 minutes is up, pour in a splash of dark soy sauce and stir. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Add a cup of water, stir, and bring it up to a simmer. Cover and cook for 45 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove the lid and stir every minute or so until the onions and sauce start to stick to the bottom. Add a little water and vinegar to loosen the bottom of the pan. Stir and cook until the sauce reaches your desired consistency. This is what I like. Once that's done, take it off the heat and serve with a side of white rice. And there you have it, pork adobo. Full ingredient list and affiliate links to my kitchen gear are in the video description below. That's it for this recipe. Be sure to like and subscribe so you're notified of all my future videos. Take care, my friends, and I'll see you next time.